Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Katrina Darcell. Big update in the Sean Diddy Combs trial. There's a critical hearing this Thursday in federal court in Manhattan. We'll break down what's happening, what Rule 29 means, and what comes next. If you've been following this case, you'll remember that back in July, a jury cleared Diddy of the most serious charges like racketeering and sex trafficking by force. However, he was convicted on 2 counts under the Mann Act, which involves transporting someone across state lines for prostitution. His sentencing is currently set for October 3rd in the Southern District of New York. Because of those convictions, Diddy's legal team has filed what's called a Rule 29 motion. Rule 29 allows the judge to double-check the jury's verdict to make sure it's legally sound. After a jury finds a defendant guilty, the defense can ask the judge to review the case. They are essentially saying, even if we accept all the evidence the government presented, no reasonable jury could have reached a guilty verdict. This Thursday, the judge will hear Diddy's Rule 29 motion. If the judge agrees, the judge can throw out the guilty verdicts immediately. No sentencing, no appeals, case closed. If the judge says no, then the case moves forward to sentencing on October 3rd. Diddy would stay convicted on the 2 Mann Act counts. His lawyers could still appeal later, but sentencing would happen first. Each Mann Act count carries up to 10 years in federal prison. So in theory, Diddy could face as much as 20 years. But in practice, judges rely on the U.S. sentencing guidelines, which look at things like his record, the nature of the offenses, and any aggravating or mitigating factors. Here's the latest. Diddy's legal team has now asked the judge to sentence him to no more than 14 months, basically the time he's already served at MDC Brooklyn. They argue he's already paid a high price, spending 13 months in one of the toughest jails in the country and losing his freedom, his reputation, and parts of his career. They point out that during this time, he became sober for the first time in 25 years, stayed out of trouble, and even helped other inmates with motivational programs. His lawyers also highlight his childhood struggles, his contributions to music and business, his philanthropy, and his role as a father of 7 with an elderly mother who depends on him. Their message is that prison has changed him. He's sober, in therapy, and at low risk of future violence. They are asking for time served plus supervised release. If Diddy wins, the convictions could disappear completely. If not, the countdown to sentencing continues. What do you think the judge will decide this Thursday? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching.